Welcome to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how easy it is to withdraw your earnings from Workmines using Bitcoin and then exchange it into your local currency. In this case it's going to be our local ZAR or South African Rands. So firstly I'm going to be showing you how to cash out in Bitcoins here in South Africa and how easy the process actually is. As you can see, I've logged into my account. This is actually on the mobile website on my phone, but this is exactly the same process that you go through on your app as well as on any website when you're using a computer, a laptop, or whatever you're using. That's exactly the same process. So basically you log in. When you log in, you basically come to your dashboard. So what you want to do is basically just click on withdraw, or you can go to the left and under funds you also find the withdraw option right there, but I'll just use this one, which is very clear and right there. So I'm just gonna go to withdraw, and then let's see the next page. On the next page I'm going to show you what you do. Okay, so on this page, on the withdraw, so you have different ways of withdrawal, but we're going to be focused on how to withdraw with Bitcoin. So we're going to use this option right here, Bitcoin. So for all those who don't know what Bitcoin is basically a cryptocurrency, one of the major, actually the biggest cryptocurrency ever. Right now it's worth about $7,800. So we're going to withdraw in that currency into our wallet, and then from our wallet we're going to take it to an exchange so that we can exchange it for South African Rands, and then those South African Rands we send them to our bank. The process is very simple, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to do right here. As you can see, my balance is 230. I'm over the minimum needed, and yeah, that's the maximum right there, but we're not up there. So what you want to do now when you come here is basically you want to add a new address to where you want to. As you can see under payment right here, they'll take you there, and then so we basically want Bitcoin address right here. So I'm going to take you to my I'm using blockchain account. So you can use whatever account you got, like here in South Africa you can use Luno or your altcoin address. I'm going to first send my coins to blockchain just to make sure the process is neat, because that's the process that I use to upgrade. I also advise you to do the same, just to make sure the process is simple and straightforward, because altcoin is a trade, it's not really a wallet. So I would recommend that you send them to your wallet, unless if you're using Luno, then that's good. But in this video I'm going to showing you how to do it with ZAR, which is a way that I find quicker and easier and actually cheaper according to the rates and stuff like that, the transfer fees and so forth. So as you can see, this is my dashboard on blockchain. So basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on Bitcoin. If I click on Bitcoin right here, then I'm going to generate a new address. So if you click right here on this icon, that's where you request your address. Then you just click on this address right there. It will ask you to copy. You just click yes. So you've basically copied your address to clipboard. Then we go back to our website. Okay, and then we come back here again. Basically we paste that address, make sure it's exactly the same, paste it right there, then you click save. So we got our BTC address saved. Okay, let's just wait for it. Okay, so as you can see, verification code has been sent to email. It will be valid for 15. Okay, so now we have to verify our email just to verify that we added that security pin. So let's go to my email. Okay, as you can see, here's the email. Workmines, they just sent the code right now. So my security code is, so this is my security code right here. I'm gonna copy that and then go back to Workmines, put it in here, paste, and then confirm. So this is to confirm that we are the ones who actually added that withdraw address. So now yes, settings successfully changed. So now we can proceed with our withdrawal. So we can go back to our dashboard, or simply just come under funds, withdrawal, and then we're gonna go. So I'm just gonna long click on that and then copy it, because I want to withdraw all my funds. Then come here and paste them, and then paste it right there. So my pin, then I'm gonna put my pin. So yeah, as you know, when you set up you get your pin. So mine is okay, let me just quickly refresh this page. So when you come back to withdraw page, we basically select again, once again, your Bitcoin, just to make sure it's actually selected. Bitcoins is the payment that we want, and then I'm gonna long click on this, copy that. Okay, so as you can see, our address is right there. Then you can always change it if you click on that if you want to enter a new one, and then I'm gonna enter my PIN. And then withdraw. Are you sure you want to confirm? And then confirm. Invalid money form. You have to put just numbers in this text box, and then let's try this again. Confirm. As you can see, payout has been processed successfully. Manual payout of 229 ZAR has been requested. Payout fees 1 rand 15 cents have been deducted from your payout account. Okay, so that's it. That's basically the process. So we're gonna have to wait. Now remember, with Workmines, they actually process our request between in South African time it's been from 1 p.m. in the afternoon, because they are 1 hour ahead of us till the end of that day. So they process everything within the last 12 hours of the day. Now remember to request your withdrawal between 1 a.m. South African time until 1 p.m. and just before 1 p.m. from 1 a.m. in the morning until all the way to 1 p.m. in the afternoon. I think that's the perfect time. Try by all means to be earlier than 1 p.m. It's the perfect time to request a withdrawal so that you can have it processed within that same day. You just wait for your money, and then once it's in your account, it's going to reflect in your blockchain account. The next step is basically to come here. You go out cointrader.co.za. So here you have to create an account. So you create an account with Altcoin Trader. It's very simple, it won't take long. And then okay, so they require two-factor authentication. Let me just get that code quickly. So basically this is the authenticator, but you don't have to worry about this. You basically, when you set up your account, you have to set up this as well. So this is just for security reasons. Okay, so I'm successfully logged in. Right now, when you come into Altcoin Trader, basically what you want to do is you want to deposit money from your blockchain account where you received it. Otherwise, you can also just deposit into Altcoin Trader straight from Workmines, but I wouldn't recommend it, as sometimes the time difference is not might cause some problems. You know, like we cannot deposit into Workmines using Luna account, as stated by the Workmines people. So well, I would recommend that you first withdraw to your blockchain, because blockchain is proven to work in all circumstances. So deposit to blockchain, then from blockchain you deposit your Bitcoin to here. So what you want to do, deposit type, you basically want to select obviously Bitcoin. You select your Bitcoin, so you can easily deposit into Altcoin Trader. Please note, so make sure you deposit Bitcoin, nothing else. Okay, so basically you then request your BTC deposit address. Once you get it, you go back to your blockchain account, and then in blockchain what you want to do, in blockchain you basically want to send your funds that you've received from Workmines whenever they process them. So basically you want to click on this arrow right here, and then you want to send from my Bitcoin wallet, which is where your Bitcoins will be. Then the address that you got from Altcoin Trader, you paste it right here. Once you paste that in, then you continue, then you hit continue. It will do everything else is automatic. You don't touch anything else. And then we go back to so it might take a couple of minutes to about a maximum of 1 hour. So once your coins are in here, what you want to do next is basically you want to come to home. So you want to hit home on once you log back again into Altcoin Trader. So what you want to do here is basically go for BTC markets. As you can see right now, it's worth 120 ZAR. So one of those is just worth 120 ZAR. So what you want to do now, because we have bitcoins and we want South African Rands, what you want to do is basically to hit this bar, and then you enter the amount. So we know that we withdrew 219 after the fees and so forth. So when it comes to here, you're gonna see how much BTC you have in your account. So basically this is when you want to buy BTC, but we want to sell BTC. We want to sell BTC. When we come here, we want to sell BTC so that we get our South African Rands. So basically this is the highest buy offer. So people who are buying, this is the most that they're offering for this now for our BTC in South African Rands. So what you want to do, okay, so that's the highest price. That's the highest price, 120,100. So what you want to do is basically you want to say amount of BTC that you're selling. This too, don't worry about this. You don't have to do any math. You actually just look at the amount that you have in your account because you want to withdraw all of it. So you basically come here and then you withdraw. Let's say maybe it was an amount of maybe a total of 4 BTC, that 0.4 BTC, which is around about 480. So okay, maybe I'm maybe too ahead. Let's say 0.2 BTC is about 240. I think that's roughly the amount that you have. And then basically you sell your BTC. You click the sell, and then instantly you have your ZAR in your account. And then what you want to do now is basically to withdraw your ZAR into your bank account. So you come to withdraw. Now I want to mention that before, when you create this account, if you don't, like, as you can see, they have levels. Here your account is level 1. Your total withdrawal limit is 15,000. So if you want to withdraw more than 15,000, you're going to have to send in your documents, like submit FICA documents and verify and get verified to withdraw. Limits will be 200,000. So it's up to you, but for me right now I don't need to withdraw that much, but I will obviously upgrade my account. So what you want to do now is you want to select, so your amount will be right here, and then you want to select your withdraw type. So basically it's going to be South African ZAR, which is what we have now in our account. And then, so as you can see, I already filled out my documents and stuff. And then basically what you want to do, okay, withdrawals of 50, okay, so that's for withdrawals between, but what we want is amount to withdraw. You put in your amount, and then let's say you put in how much, 200, and basically maybe it's not just 200 star after fees and stuff. So, and then you click withdraw. So as you can see, there's no amount, insufficient funds, but then that's how the process will go. And then what you want to do here, fees. So as you can see, when you're withdrawing your money, the withdrawal fee, so you can cash out a maximum of 250 ZAR with a percentage, with fee of 0.5, which is very cheap compared to other exchanges like Luno, I would say, and all the other payment processes that they got there on coin markets. That's why on Workmines, that's why I recommend this process. So hope this was helpful. So don't forget to set up your bank account. So as you can see, my first name, last name, uploaded my ID and password or SS number, my software number, physical address. I just need to send in those details, and then what I need to do as well, what you need to do is to set your bank account, your banking details. So if you scroll down right there, so this is your profile. You have to set your, right here at the bottom, because that's your address. Here is your payment details. So